Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of my Watch Me Work Wednesday series. And in this tutorial, I'll be showing you guys how to achieve wand curls. The company I'm working with today is Curlyme Collection, and my client actually purchased this wig, so this video is not sponsored. She ordered a 16-inch body wave, 250 density, and it's Brazilian hair. However, though, when she brought the hair to me, it was giving me natural wave vibe, and I would insert a picture so you could see for yourself. So the company actually messed up her order because it was not body wave. Now I'm just making sure that the wig fits her, and if you're wondering why the hair looks straighter than the picture, it's because I had blow it and flat iron it before she came for her appointment. As per usual, I did about 4 to 5 coats of glue, but I make sure each coat was dried before I did the next coat. Now that the glue dry, I could start to put on the wig, but make sure that the wig is positioned properly before I start to melt the lace into the glue. After I done cut off the excess lace, there were some areas that I needed to tack down, so I just put some glue on the back of my hand and I used the tail of my rat tail comb to apply the glue underneath. So let me get the tea on this wig. That wig girl gave me some hells and devils. Like, it really been a test me gangster, like seriously, because you know been a lay how I needed it to lay. For all you who know about wigs, some wigs when it comes to the corner they just pull back. So if you would imagine a diagonal line compared to a horizontal line, you would understand what I mean. And the corners was pulling back on this wig. It wasn't laying down how I wanted it to lay. So I had to take them off and start all over. Yo, let me tell you here, I was so annoyed, but you know, your girl had to pull through and make it work. At this point, I had already reinstalled the wig, so we're just moving forward from here. So far, this is my honest review on the wig. The construction on the wig could have been a little better. The lace, I didn't like the type of lace, not the color, but I had to make it work. I did receive some shedding while I was customizing the unit, and the fact that my client ordered a body wave wig and received a water wave unit, that's not good enough. So I feel like companies need to pay keen attention to customers that actually purchase the wigs, as opposed to who they does send free wigs to make reviews. Now I have reached the styling portion of this install, and I'm using my Conair curling wand along with my holding spray so that the curls could last longer, and I'm just using bobby pins to pin them up. Okay guys, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. You already know the vibes, but please ensure that you stick around so you could see the end results. Thanks for watching. Bye.